Hey everyone, look, if you've ever found yourself just frantically clicking through tabs and menus, trying to sort out some annoying digital utility headache, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we've got a clear, focused explainer designed to solve one very specific, but honestly incredibly common problem.
Are you struggling to locate your DTE Energy account number online? Well, stay tuned because in just a few moments, we'll unveil the step-by-step process that's going to make finding your account number an absolute breeze. Seriously, whether you're a brand new customer setting up your house for the first time or a longtime user who just needs to make a quick payment, having this number right at your fingertips is an absolute must. Okay, really quick, here's our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Locating your DTE account. 2. A step-by-step online guide. 3. Troubleshooting common login issues. 4. Account security and scams. And finally, 5. Conclusion and disclaimer.
Section 1. Locating your DTE account.
All right, let's dive right into this. Before we go hunting for the number itself, let's take a quick second to talk about what DTE Energy actually is and why this account number is such a big deal. So DTE Energy is this major utility company, right? They serve something like 2.2 million electric customers and 1.2 million gas customers all across Michigan. That is a massive network. And when you see a worker out there on the street maintaining the physical infrastructure, well, your digital account number is basically your personal key to connecting with those real-world services. You literally need this number for everything, from setting up payment programs to transferring your service when you move to just making basic customer service inquiries.
So the crucial point here is knowing exactly what you're looking for. The magic number we're after is exactly 12 digits long. Now you might be wondering, why does this specific 12-digit string matter so much? Well, let's say you want to use that quick guest pay feature online, or maybe you're old school and prefer mailing a physical check, but whoops, you lost the payment coupon. In both of those scenarios, without that precise 12-digit number written on your check or typed into the portal, the billing system literally can't figure out where to put your money. It's like a giant puzzle, and that number is the missing piece.
Section 2. Step-by-Step Online Guide. Okay, let's get to the main event. Here is your foolproof, step-by-step guide to finding that elusive number online. Step 1 is simply accessing the official DTE Energy website. Actually, quick actionable tip right off the bat. Always make sure you are navigating to the official site directly to avoid any sneaky phishing scams. Once you're there, just log into the desktop portal using your email and password. All right, step 2. Once you're inside, you're going to want to navigate over to the billing history dashboard. And what's really fantastic about this dashboard is that it holds on to your historical invoices for up to 13 months, so you always have this reliable backlog right there waiting for you. Finally, step 3, you are going to open your current PDF statement. Now, a little heads up, don't just look at the quick summary on the webpage. You actually need to click and download or view the real PDF file. Got that PDF open? Great. Now look at the absolute top of the first page. Bam, right there. That is exactly where the definitive rendering of your 12-digit account number lives. It sits right up there alongside your payment due date and your total amount due. Just to put this into perspective, imagine you're managing expenses for a small business, or, even just trying to organize your family's monthly budget. By knowing exactly where this number is on the PDF, you're saving yourself like 15 minutes of frustrating searching every single month. It instantly eases up your whole account management process. A real game changer, for sure.
Section 3. Troubleshooting common login issues.
But hey, we all know the digital world isn't always sunshine and rainbows, right? You might sit down feeling super prepared, follow these steps, and then just hit a brick wall before you even get past the login screen. Let's troubleshoot some of these common login issues. What's kind of interesting here is how highly specific the DTE system protocols are. Like, if you forget your password and request a reset, that email can take up to 30 minutes to arrive. So whatever you do, don't panic and request it 5 times in a row. Just grab a coffee and give it half an hour. Once it finally hits your inbox, that reset link expires after exactly 8 hours. Now, what if you forgot the email address you used entirely, your username? Well, you can't actually fix that online. You've got to call customer support at 800-477-4747. And oh, here's a great practical workaround. If you are completely locked out, but you desperately need to pay your bill today to dodge a late fee, you could just use the guest pay feature. As long as you know the account holder's last name and the service address, you can process a payment without logging in at all. Pretty handy, right?
Section 4. Account security and scams.
All right, now that you know how to access your account and troubleshoot the annoying stuff, we need to shift gears a bit. It's time to arm you with some actionable insights to protect your information from search engine hijackers and phone scams. Let's clearly contrast a legitimate validation with a massive glaring red flag.
When you call DTE, a legitimate process will ask you for things like your billing zip code or maybe the last 4 digits of your social security number, just to verify your identity. The scam red flag, someone calls you out of the blue and demands your full 12-digit account number over the phone. No way. Don't ever fall for it. In fact, let me read this exact quote directly from the source material, and I really want to put some emphasis on this. DTE does not ask customers to provide their account numbers. Period. DTE encrypts all of your transactions on secure servers. On top of that, they will never, ever call you demanding payment if your account is in good standing, and if you happen to be behind, they mail and email a warning notice first. Remember, your 12-digit number is the master key to your account. You've got to guard it closely and absolutely never hand it over to an unsolicited caller. Section 5. Conclusion and disclaimer. Wow. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground today, navigating all the way from that initial frustration of a lost account number to successfully locking it down online. Let's recap and wrap this whole shebang up. So, the absolute core takeaway here. Your 12-digit DTE account number is found by logging into the desktop portal, navigating to your billing history, and looking right at the top of your PDF statement. Keep your password strong, and please remember those scam red flags we just talked about. And before we completely finish up, just a quick mandatory disclaimer for you. The information in this explainer is accurate as of August 24th, 2026. Utility platforms do like to update their interfaces from time to time, so please, always verify any changes directly with DTE Energy for the most current guidance. And I want to leave you with this one slightly provocative thought. Now that you basically hold the keys to your account and you know exactly how to navigate that portal, what else is waiting for you in there? I mean, the DTE dashboard actually has features that track your energy usage data. Digging into that could lead to identifying energy leaks in your home, which could ultimately lower your monthly bill. So how much could you save by exploring those tools next? Dive into your account, take control of your data, and keep on learning. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you next time.